Welcome back to Ctube's channel. Today we are going to discuss the topics about low-smoke halogen-free conduit. Low-smoke halogen-free conduit is also a plastic electrical conduit. Compared with the traditional electrical conduit, the raw materials and formula have been changed, such as the usage of additives, which has greatly improved physical and safety performance. Low-smoke halogen-free electrical conduits stand out for its unique safety features. When exposed to fire, these conduits produce minimal smoke and do not release harmful gases, improve visibility during evacuations, and help firefighters fight and put out the fire. With less smoke and no toxic gases, the risk of people's harmful inhalation is reduced. Conduit labeled as low-smoke halogen-free must be subjected to the BIRD test, as referenced in IEC, UL, and ASTM certifications, and etc., which ensure that the conduit meets safety levels for smoke density, toxicity, and flame retardancy. It's worth mentioning that the normal working temperature range of Ctube's low-smoke halogen-free conduit is -40 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius, which is greatly improved compared with the -15 degrees Celsius to 105 degrees Celsius of Ctube's regular PVC conduit. And low-smoke halogen-free conduits are lighter than traditional options, but still provide greater resistance to compressions and impact. The outstanding features of the low-smoke halogen-free conduit make it widely used in airports, hospitals, and other crowded places to play a role in protecting the public. But the cost of low-smoke halogen-free conduit is higher than ordinary PVC conduit. Consider the specific project requirements and application environment when choosing between these two conduits. Ctube provides a range of low-smoke halogen-free conduits and fittings with various sizes and colors. Conduit offer rigid conduit and corrugated conduit. Fittings such as junction box, adaptable box, and etc. comply with relevant standards and testing, such as AS/NZS 2053 standard. That's all we shared today. Thank you for watching. For more details about our conduits and fittings, follow our channel.